Hi, yeah, this is Lori DeClaire.
Oh, you're welcome.
So that extension date is coming up, right? October 15th.
Yes.
Why are scammers focusing on this time of year?
Well, basically because they understand that folks that have not done their taxes are going to have their tax information out. And so this is a perfect time when people are thinking about money and taxes and finances to kind of catch people off guard, or people who have that information and just aren't thinking quite clearly and are just wanting to file and not thinking about the bigger picture.
Yeah, well, there are a number of tax scams that are out there focusing, the scams that people are trying to use to take advantage of other people. And so we want to give you some of those this morning to watch out for. Number one, and this is kind of classic, is a telephone scam.
Definitely.
What happens here?
Yes. So basically, they'll call you, and they're getting so sophisticated now that you won't even notice that it's you know, it will look like an official call. But basically what they're doing is they're calling and they're going to intimidate you and try to tell you that, you know, you are definitely in trouble and this is the IRS and you better pay up now or you're going to go, will threaten further action. And so they're asking you to pay by wire or actually by prepaid debit cards.
And what's wrong with that whole thing?
Well, first of all, IRS is not going to call you. If we are, have anything that we want to discuss with you, we're not going to call you. The first thing we're going to do is actually send you a mail through the post office. You'll get a regular letter. So be wary of that. We don't do scare tactics, and we're definitely not going to call you.
And call and threaten. Number two, phishing emails, trying to get you on email.
Yes. So nowadays, everyone is, out and about. They're connected, and so email is just one of those strategies that they can get to you. And so they'll send you an email, maybe with the IRS logo on it, some really IRS type language, and maybe a link for you to click on to confirm some account information and that sort of thing.
Which you should never click on anything in an email, right?
Never open an attachment if you don't know who it's from. It seems to be from the IRS if you don't have any things going on with the IRS. And the reason being is that IRS, like I said, is not going to contact you by phone or email. We're going to, first way that we're going to contact you is through a letter just by the postal office at your most recent address.
And another one, a fake charity donation request, right? Trying to pretend that they're a charity?
Yes, so especially this time of the year when we have a lot of hurricanes. So these folks are going to take advantage of people's good intentions of wanting to help. And so two things. So one of the things is, setting up a fake charity and so asking for donations. And some of them are doing it over the phone, by email, sometimes even in person. Now the flip side of that is folks who are out there pretending to be working on behalf of the IRS and wanting to help folks with filing casualty loss claims. And for that, we want to make sure that you don't take advantage of that. You make sure that you don't give anyone your information, particularly your Social Security number.
Definitely don't give that out over the phone. And last but not least, fake IRS contact. Basically what things you talked about. You're not going to call and threaten someone. You're not going to send an email. How would you even have that? And if you have any questions, you can just contact the IRS yourself, right? And ask, hey, did you send me this?
Exactly.
Whatever, if you have any questions about
Exactly.
that. All right.
So if you do receive a phone call and you're concerned about it and you want to report it, then you would report it to the Treasury Inspector General, and that's at TIGTA.gov. And of course, if you think that you were a victim of phishing, then you can send that email, forward it in its entirety to phishing@irs.gov. Please delete it and don't click on anything. And yes, definitely contact the IRS if you're not sure.
Thank you. And that 6-month extension filing deadline is coming up October 15th. Lori, thank you so much for coming in this morning.
Welcome.
Appreciate
Thank you for
it.
having me.
Cody, back to you.
Good info. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. I had a couple calls here at the station from somebody claiming to be the IRS doing that, and then I called the guy, and then he hung up on me because I was like, I'm a news reporter. He called the TV station, and then I called the second time, and he lowered his voice to pretend to be somebody else. I was like, yeah. All right, celebrate.